Abbottabad, a name synonymous with serenity and natural beauty, is a popular hill station nestled in the heart of Pakistan's Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. This charming city is surrounded by lush green hills and offers a perfect escape from the chaos of urban life. Known for its pleasant weather and picturesque landscapes, Abbottabad is a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Abbottabad offers a refuge from the hustle and bustle of city life. The serene environment and the breathtaking views make it a perfect spot for relaxation and rejuvenation. The city is a popular destination for tourists seeking respite in the lap of nature. Whether you are looking to explore the natural landscapes or simply unwind, Abbottabad has something for everyone. Abbottabad's charm lies in its ability to transport you to a world of tranquility. The peaceful surroundings and the gentle pace of life here make it an ideal destination for a relaxing getaway. The moment you step into this enchanting city, you are greeted by a refreshing breeze carrying the scent of pine trees. The air is crisp and clean, making every breath a rejuvenating experience. The city's gentle pace of life and captivating scenery make it an ideal destination for a relaxing getaway. You can spend your days exploring the scenic spots or simply soaking in the beauty of the surroundings. Abbottabad is a place where time seems to slow down. The relaxed environment allows you to disconnect from the stresses of daily life and reconnect with nature. The city invites you to unwind, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and lose yourself in the beauty of its surroundings. The panoramic views and the serene atmosphere make it a perfect place to relax and recharge. Whether you are seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply a change of scenery, Abbottabad has something to offer every traveler. From hiking and trekking to simply enjoying the peaceful environment, this hill station is a true retreat for the soul. Abbottabad is renowned for its verdant landscapes, a symphony of nature's finest greens. The city is adorned with rolling hills blanketed in a lush carpet of emerald green forests. Towering pine trees stand tall, their branches reaching towards the sky, creating a canopy that provides shade and tranquility. The air in Abbottabad is incredibly fresh and invigorating. The gentle breeze carries the scent of pine needles and wildflowers, filling your lungs with the essence of nature. The serenity of the landscapes is mesmerizing, inviting visitors to unwind and embrace the calmness. As you stroll through the hills, you'll be greeted by cascading waterfalls, their crystal-clear waters tumbling over rocks, creating a symphony of soothing sounds. The greenery of Abbottabad is not just a feast for the eyes, it's a balm for the soul, offering a sense of peace and rejuvenation. Nestled in a valley, Abbottabad is strategically located in the Orash Valley at the heart of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The city is surrounded by the majestic Karakoram Range, with towering peaks that seem to touch the sky. Abbottabad sits at an altitude of approximately 4,120 feet or 1,256 meters above sea level. This elevation gives the city its signature cool and pleasant climate, making it an ideal escape from the scorching heat of the plains. The surrounding mountains are not just a sight to behold, they also play a crucial role in influencing the city's climate and providing a natural barrier against harsh weather conditions. The geographical setting of Abbottabad makes it a unique and captivating destination. Abbottabad is blessed with an abundance of natural wonders that captivate the senses and leave a lasting impression on every visitor. The city is surrounded by towering mountains, their slopes adorned with lush forests, creating a breathtaking panorama. The valleys of Abbottabad are equally mesmerizing, with their verdant fields, sparkling streams, and charming villages. The rivers that flow through the region, including the Kunhar River, add to the scenic beauty, their waters reflecting the colors of the sky. Waterfalls cascade down the mountainsides, their crystal-clear waters crashing into pools below, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. The diverse flora and fauna of the region add to its natural allure, making it a paradise for nature enthusiasts. Section 5. The climate, a breath of fresh air. Abbottabad is characterized by its moderate climate, which remains pleasant throughout the year, making it a haven for those who appreciate nature's tranquility. The lush green hills surrounding the city are a testament to its favorable weather conditions. This moderate climate makes Abbottabad an ideal destination for visitors seeking respite from extreme weather conditions. Whether it's hiking, picnicking, or simply enjoying a leisurely stroll, the weather here enhances every outdoor experience. The city experiences warm summers and cool winters, providing a balanced climate that is neither too harsh nor too mild. The warm summer sunlight creates a perfect ambience for outdoor activities. With temperatures that are neither too hot nor too cold, Abbottabad offers a comfortable environment for both residents and tourists. The moderate temperatures are a key factor in the city's appeal. The summer months in Abbottabad, from April to September, are characterized by warm days and cool nights. This unique combination allows for a variety of activities, from daytime adventures to evening relaxation. Warm days are perfect for exploring the city's natural beauty, while the cool nights provide a refreshing break from the day's heat. The sunsets during these months are particularly stunning, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink. The temperature during the day rarely exceeds 30 degrees Celsius or 86 degrees Fahrenheit, making it comfortable for outdoor activities without the risk of overheating. The evenings are pleasantly cool, allowing visitors to enjoy the outdoors without feeling overheated. The gentle breeze that sweeps through the city adds to the overall pleasant experience. Outdoor dining becomes a delightful experience during these cool evenings, with many cafes and restaurants offering al fresco options to take advantage of the pleasant weather. Winters in Abbottabad, from October to March, are mild and refreshing, with temperatures ranging from 5 to 15 degrees Celsius. This mild winter climate is perfect for those who prefer a cooler yet not freezing environment. With temperatures ranging from 5 to 15 degrees Celsius or 41 to 59 degrees Fahrenheit, the winter season in Abbottabad is comfortable and inviting. The moderate winter temperatures allow for a variety of outdoor activities, from brisk walks to enjoying the scenic beauty of the city without the need for heavy winter clothing. The city occasionally experiences snowfall during the winter months, which transforms the landscape into a magical winter wonderland. The light snow on trees and rooftops adds a touch of enchantment to the already picturesque scenery. This occasional snowfall is a treat for both residents and visitors, offering a rare opportunity to experience a snowy landscape without the extreme cold. Abbottabad truly offers a breath of fresh air, no matter the season. Section 6. Tourist Attractions Unveiling the Gems. Abbottabad is home to a plethora of tourist attractions that cater to a wide range of interests, from picturesque hill stations to serene lakes. The city offers something for everyone. One of the most popular destinations near Abbottabad is Natia Gali, a scenic hill station located just a short drive away. Known for its breathtaking views of the Himalayas, Natia Gali is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts alike. Another must-visit destination is Hanoi Lake, a serene lake nestled amidst lush green hills offering boating and fishing opportunities. Shimla Hill, named after the famous hill station in India, is another popular spot in Abbottabad. The hill offers panoramic views of the city and its surroundings, making it an ideal location for photography and enjoying breathtaking sunsets. Section 7. Culture and Hospitality, the essence of Abbottabad. Abbottabad is home to a rich and vibrant culture that reflects the traditions and values of the Pashtun people. The city is known for its warm hospitality, with locals always eager to welcome visitors and share their culture. The people of Abbottabad are known for their friendly and welcoming nature. They are always ready to lend a helping hand and make visitors feel at home. The city's culture is deeply rooted in respect, honor, and generosity. Traditional handicrafts such as carpets, rugs, and pottery are popular souvenirs to take back from Abbottabad. The city's vibrant culture and warm hospitality add to its charm, making it a truly memorable destination. Section 8. Accessibility and how to reach. Abbottabad is well connected to major cities in Pakistan, making it easily accessible for travelers. Nestled in the Hazara region of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, this city is a gateway to the northern areas of Pakistan, offering a blend of natural beauty and modern amenities. The city is located approximately 120 kilometers or 75 miles north of Islamabad, the capital city of Pakistan. This proximity to the capital makes it a popular destination for both local and international tourists. The journey from Islamabad to Abbottabad by road takes about 2 to 3 hours, depending on traffic and weather conditions. The route is scenic, offering travelers picturesque views of the lush green hills and valleys that characterize this region. The most convenient way to reach Abbottabad is by road. The well-maintained highways and clear road signs make the journey smooth and enjoyable. The city is connected to the Grand Trunk Road, also known as N35, which is one of the major highways in Pakistan. This historic road has been a vital trade route for centuries and continues to serve as a crucial link between various regions. Several bus services operate between Islamabad and Abbottabad, offering comfortable and affordable travel options. These buses are equipped with modern amenities, ensuring a pleasant journey for passengers. For those who prefer air travel, the nearest airport to Abbottabad is the Islamabad International Airport, which is well connected to major cities in Pakistan and around the world. From the airport, travelers can easily find various transportation options to reach Abbottabad. From Islamabad, visitors can hire a taxi or take a bus to reach Abbottabad. Taxis offer a more personalized and flexible travel experience, while buses provide a cost-effective and reliable alternative. Whether you choose to travel by road or air, reaching Abbottabad is a hassle-free experience, making it an ideal destination for your next adventure. Section 9. Abbottabad, a hidden gem, beckons. Abbottabad, with its captivating beauty, serene landscapes and rich culture, stands as a hidden gem in the heart of Pakistan. The city's ability to transport visitors to a world of tranquility and rejuvenation makes it an unforgettable destination. Whether you seek solace in nature's embrace, wish to witness the splendor of towering mountains, or yearn for a glimpse into the local culture, Abbottabad beckons with open arms. The city's charm lies in its simplicity, its ability to slow down time and allow visitors to reconnect with themselves. Abbottabad is a testament to the beauty that lies hidden within Pakistan, waiting to be discovered. A journey to Abbottabad is a journey to a world of wonder, a journey that will stay with you long after you've left its enchanting embrace.